Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to turn on or off auto blocker on Samsung Galaxy A27. Auto blocker is a service that disables some functions of Android, some functions that are on all phones, and disables them to protect your security of your phone. And it can be enabled or disabled. To do it, let's go to the settings. Now let's go to security and privacy. And now you'll find auto blocker. I'll click on it because it will list what is blocked. It blocks installing apps from unauthorized sources, so apps from outside of Play Store or Galaxy Store cannot be installed. Blocks commands by USB cable. Blocks malware images in messaging apps. And blocks non-official software updates. It also blocks things that aren't listed here. Like, for example, if you go to the phone app, there are some secret codes that you can enter in the keypad to perform some things. One code that always works is *#06#, and that shows you your IMEI number as well as your serial number. But some of the other codes are not available if auto blocker is enabled. An example of that kind of code is going to be *0011#. You can see it doesn't do anything now. So that is because of the auto blocker. So auto blocker locks lots of things, and you can disable it. Then enter your screen lock if it asks you for it. And by default, it doesn't disable auto blocker forever. It just disables it for 30 minutes, then automatically turns it on after that time. If you'd like to adjust it, you'll find turn on automatically. And you can disable it so it won't turn on automatically. Now I'll turn it on back, and there's also maximum restrictions. You can enable it so it will turn on app protection, it will block device admin apps, it will block 2G networks, it will also block auto reconnection to non-secure Wi-Fi networks. It will block shared albums and remove location data when sharing pictures. So yeah, you feel free to enable or disable maximum restrictions if you want, or enable or disable auto blocker. Now you can see when I disable it, the code *#0011# will work. It will show me some service mode for my SIM card. I should also be able to maybe use this code, *268, I think, 3662#. No, it was the correct one, but it didn't work. But it also works in other aspects of the phone, as I said, like installing unknown apps from APK files and stuff like that. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.